Hello and welcome. I'm Scott Fisher, Managing Editor for Homegrounds, your source for everything coffee on the web. And today we've got something really exciting. I'm unboxing my latest shipment from Mistobox. One of the things that makes this so exciting is I didn't know what was going to be in this. I filled out their survey, I answered the questions, I had a delicious and wonderful bag of coffee from them before, but this one's a surprise. Turns out it is an Ethiopian Yirgacheffe from Thou Mayest coffee roasters. In addition to the wonderful things about Ethiopia is, of course, it's the birthplace of coffee, and Yirgacheffe is a region where a lot of the beans are actually harvested from wild forest trees. So what we're going to get into here, this is also a honey washed, which is one of the 3 different ways of processing. I haven't had a honey washed coffee ever, I don't think, so I'm looking forward to this. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Well, beach party, what a great name for it. Country Ethiopia, region Yirgacheffe, varietals Kurame, Diga, and Wolisho. This is from 1,800 meters above sea level, so that's fairly high up there, and it's the honey process. They describe tasting notes of jasmine, peach, blueberry, and coconut. Now, I'm very familiar with blueberry and even peach in some Ethiopians, but jasmine, I cannot wait. So first of all, let's go ahead and open this bag. I'm going to move the box off to the side a bit. And it was roasted 4 days ago, so should be no problem being fresh. I'm going to open here. Oh, let's see if it says anything else in here. Yes, Thou Mayest coffee roasters. Thou Mayest means the way is open. And at Thou Mayest coffee roasters, we are inviting and inclusive, provocatively enticing people into the beautiful world of coffee. Okay, sounds like me. All right, let's check the aroma. It's beautiful. On the nose, there are notes of milk chocolate and walnuts. I mean, it reminds me of fudge from when I was a child. But there's also that beautiful, woody, earthy note that Ethiopians tend to get. I figured I'd take a little bit out so that you can see. They're wonderful matte finish, not shiny like a French roast, because, of course, this is not. I can't wait to get these into the Hario. So let's go ahead and say goodbye for now. Thanks for joining us, and how do you take your coffee?